Advanced Scenario. Choose Advanced Planner. Create a new or edit an existing scenario. You will see the results of the last run. The data grid displays all the scenario result detail. Use the selectors across the top to choose what data to show. The Show Ages toggle will replace the date column in the grid with the investor's ages. The Life Stage Jump links quickly scrolls the grid to the start of that life stage's data. You may also drag the scroll handles on the right and bottom of the grid. The interactive charting tool allows you to slice the data in a visual way. Choose the options that suit your review. The Configure Scenario button reveals the scenario controls. Configure your scenario run from here. You can configure monthly deposits by investor, and the allocation engine will best determine which account and holding to invest. You can also direct monthly deposits to an individual account, remove the account from the scenario, enable DRIP, and lock the account from receiving deposits beyond the account level contribution. Account level contributions are above the investor level deposit. If you are modeling an automatic set contribution account, lock the account and then set a monthly account level deposit here. If you have shadow accounts, you can toggle Show and then swap accounts in order to run what-if scenarios. You can set a currency exchange rate that will be used for the entire scenario calculation if you have holdings in another currency. You have options on how and when rebalancing is handled. This is where you can control how withdrawals occur during retirement. From how to allocate withdrawals, tax rules to observe, and other features. If you are interested in following the 4% rule, or a variation, choose that option here. You may adjust the priorities of account types withdrawals. However, it is often best to use toggles above. Misadjusting RRIF may place the plan in non-compliance with CRA. Earned dividends are counted toward income during retirement. You may override that here. You may enable income splitting rules here. Check with your advisor to ensure you are in compliance. If you wish to plan for converting RRSPs to RRIFs early, select the investor age to convert here. The next two sections control goals and debt paydown strategies. Finally save, and run the projection. RetirePlan.ca